Hey friends, if you wish to empty the recycle bin of your system automatically on Windows every day, or let's say at a very fixed interval, then please watch this video. So let me tell you one thing. Any document which is in the recycle bin can be recovered. Usually the details are deleted in 30 days. I'll tell you later why. But if you wish to change it, then the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on storage in the right pane. Click on the forward pointing arrow associated with storage. Make sure that automatic user content cleanup is on, and then change this timeline for delete files in my recycle bin if they have been over for to 1 day. Okay, and that will mean that the files will be deleted within 1 day of them entering the recycle bin. So I don't advise against it unless you have a system with lower space, but you can consider this option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.